where the lobbies play in the nitty-gritty. Lawmakers always campaign fundraising, votes for sale to monetary persuasion. That's how big interests ensure their existence, infiltrating Congress with little resistance. And they write their own regulations too, so that their bad acts are exceptions to the rule. Then they pad the pages with amendments and earmarks, and we don't scrutinize the process because it's done in the dark. The difference is stark, not like it was before. Practically gutted, a helpful law no more. So watered down, gave concessions galore, just in time for a vote on the floor. Oh, oh, Monsanto! Oh, oh, Monsanto! Mudslinging in the press, just a partisan mess, feeding frenzy for the pundits and talking heads. Appear on all the Sunday shows and fundamentally oppose what they once proposed. No more hellos, handshakes, and deals. Won't take into account constituents' appeals. What they put on a show, though, dog and pony, the concern they express, it's so contrived and phony. It's quite the production that we see the obstruction of filibusters on TV, and they won't cross the aisle, they haven't got the spine. So you know the vote's gonna be down party lines. And that's why it feels like there's no progress. Results of that broken process in Congress. But that's what lawmaking is like today, and why some say the country's in disarray. So, there's the explanation. And now you know why we can't stop Monsanto. Oh! Oh! Monsanto!